Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna give you an overview of ArcMap environment. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Different types of panel you can see here after opening ArcMap in your PC. We have a file for importing, saving datasets that I will teach you in the future how we can use different types of tools. We have edit that you can copy and paste your favorite datasets that you are interested, and view that we can change the ArcMap overview from here, and bookmark that for creating bookmarks that is your favorite or whatever you want. And one of the most important part is insert, that allows you to insert your datasets with a different format, and also you can add the text, title, everything that you are interested. Selection is another important part, that you can select your dataset. Specifically this tool is working with is useful for vector datasets, and I will show you how you can use them. Georeferencing, we have different types of tools here that are interesting for spatial analysis. And customize, that you can have, we have here toolbars, and if for example I'm gonna use 3D analysis, I can tick this one, as you can see it's added to my environment, and I can change its position. In order to remove it, I can click on customize and toolbars. Again, I can remove the tick. There are a lot of different categories here. Based on your requirement you can use them, and you can change their position inside your environment. And extension, if I click on it, you can see different types of extension that we have to mostly tick them after installing ArcGIS, because if they are not ticked, they are not allowed us for further analysis of some datasets. Then it's better, I suggest, to tick all of them. To select all of them in order to prevent from further problem in the future. Another part is related to window. As you can see here, we have an image analysis here for image processing that I will show you in the future how you can use it. This is a specific part of ArcGIS, recent ArcGIS editions that added this part, image analysis. And in help, you can have let's say accessibility to whatever you want, and you can use it to earn further information regarding the ArcGIS and its different parts. It's very useful, and I put its link, and also you can have accessibility to this dataset from here. Okay, another important part of this environment is related to toolbars, how you can have the accessibility to Arc Toolbox. If you come here, you can see that it's written Arc Toolbox. If I click on it, I will have different types of category that they have different applications. For example, you can see here, and we can change its position inside our environment. And if I check the datasets, you can see that we have raster class for reclassify or whatever you want. Depends on your application. You can come here and choose the tools that you want to work with it. For example, I'm gonna change a convert KML file to my layer. In order to do this, I'm gonna come here and use this tools in order to do this. However, there's a very fast way to reach to these tools, and that is search. And here I can see that with this order I can reach to these tools so easily rather than our toolbox. Just I need to know the name of tools that I'm interested, for example KML to layer, and as you can see it's shown itself here, and I can click on it and continue for further processing. Another tools here is table of contents, that it's here, and it's showing your legend, and you can see whatever you are doing here, it's will be showed here, and you can check them. And also there is different types of category that you can, depends on your need, you can use it, and also your interest. Another important part of ArcMap is catalog, and ArcCatalog is very useful for importing or exporting or saving data from this part. And for example, I'm gonna add a shape file to my environment. I think, for example, this one. This is kind of cool. If I click on it, I can see its name and also whatever. Just by dragging, I can have the data that I'm interested to have. There are other things that we can do here, but I will show you in the next tutorial how we can work with vector files in ArcGIS. And also here are the other options, that if we don't have these folders, we can connect to the folders, target a folder using here. And as you can see here, for example, I'm gonna go to that one. Okay, this is the folder that I'm interested to import my datasets, and we can easily reach to the folder that we are interested. The other parts of this environment is related to this one. This is a layout view, data view. If you want to export the map, final map, we can use this one. And again, I will show you in the next tutorial. The other part is related to drawing. Imagine you want to draw a rectangle here. You can use different types of materials, tools that are available here. Very useful. If you have a text, you can change its format or whatever you are interested. And also I showed you before how to add toolbars, and also there's another quick way, and it's related to right click here, and you can see different types of toolbars, and just by selecting them you can add to the environment that you want. Okay, this is the tutorial for be familiar with the environment of ArcMap, and hope it's gonna be helpful for you.